I really love flag football because I get to play with all my friends and it's been so much fun. And I played for 4 years and now I'm the captain, so I really want to lead my team to victory. I really want to go to states and I can't wait for this season.
Oh my God! Good job, Nora! Nice job!
My favorite part about being a flag football trainer is that there's other kids that I know that are trainers, and I know a lot of the football players here, so I get to talk to them, but I also get to help them and basically perfect what they're doing in drills. That was live. That was good.
I enjoy just helping the community and helping these girls get better at their skills and seeing them win games and beat other teams, and hopefully they can make districts, and that will make me very happy.
I like hanging out with all the girls. We have really cute game day socks. The pregame meals are pretty fire, and that's it. Oh, the bus.
The best thing about game day is jamming out to music on the way to the game in the bus.
Oh man, I love you guys.
Legit, that was a good goal. Like I thought.